Hello children, this is your first class of English literature. Today we will read a new chapter in English literature. So children, see your syllabus for English literature is for first unit test your chapter will be chapter 1 and 2 are the first unit test syllabus. 3, 4, 5 and 6 are half yearly and 7, 8 are for second unit test and 9, 7, 8 for second unit test and 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 are for final year. Okay. So 9 chapter will not come and 15 chapter is not there in your syllabus. 9 and 15 are not there in your syllabus and these are the syllabus for your full session, full year. So for first unit test you are having chapter 1 and 2. So today we will read chapter 1, that is Cinderella. Your chapter 1 is Cinderella. So let's start our chapter. So children, I will just give you the summary of the chapter, but you have to read the chapter at your home so that you can understand it properly. I am just giving you the summary of the chapter, just giving you the gist. So in this chapter we will read about Cinderella. So Cinderella is a story about a beautiful girl and a fairy. Okay, Cinderella is a story about a beautiful girl and a fairy. Once there lived a girl named Cinderella who lived with her stepmother and stepsister. So once there lived a girl named Cinderella. One girl was living once upon a time. That one girl was living. Her name was Cinderella, who lived with her stepsister and stepmother. Stepmother and stepsister. She was living with her stepmother and stepsisters. Her stepmother and stepsisters were very cruel and made her to do all the household work. They are very cruel to Cinderella. Her stepmother and stepsisters, they are very cruel to Cinderella and they made her do all the household work. Household means related to a house or the people living in it. So household work means the work which are done at houses, okay, or done in houses, they are known as household work. So her stepmother and her stepsister, they made her do all the household work. But Cinderella, she was a very kind girl. She was very kind girl and everyone loved her. But her stepmother and stepsister, they never love her. They only give her the household work to do. They are very cruel to Cinderella and they never love her. But leaving them rest other, all the people, they love Cinderella because she is a very kind girl. So one day what happened, a messenger arrived at the doorstep with an invitation. One day the family was invited to a royal ball. Royal ball means a occasion which are related to the king or queen. Okay, royal ball is a party which are given by king or queen. It is a party which are given by king or queen to all the royal ball are the party which are given by king and queen to the people living around them. Okay, so what happened, one day a messenger arrived at the doorstep with an invitation. One messenger, he came to call Cinderella's family. A messenger came, one day a messenger arrived at their doorstep with an invitation. The family was invited to a royal ball. Then what happened? The king had ordered to organize a royal ball at his palace as he wanted his son to choose a bride. So the king was looking for a bride for his prince. The prince was looking for a bride, or the king, he was looking for a bride for his prince, and everyone in the kingdom was invited, including Cinderella. Cinderella was also invited to the kingdom. So why the king had ordered a royal ball? The king, he had ordered a royal ball because he wanted his son to choose a bride. So because he wanted his son to choose a bride, that is why a king has organized a royal ball. So what happened? All the unmarried young women were invited to the ball, including Cinderella. So Cinderella was also invited to that royal ball. Okay, including her stepsisters, Cinderella was also invited to the kingdom. And all the unmarried young women, they were invited to the royal ball because the king will choose a bride from that young unmarried woman. The king will choose a bride that for his son. So that is why the king has invited all the young unmarried women, including Cinderella. Okay, then what happened, the stepsisters, they were very excited about the ball, and Cinderella was also excited and wanted to attend the ball. So the stepsisters, they were also very excited, and Cinderella, she was also very excited to attend the ball, to go to the ball. They were very excited, but the stepmother did not want Cinderella to go to the ball, as she was jealous of her beauty. Her stepmother, Cinderella's stepmother, was very jealous of Cinderella. Was a very beautiful girl, so her stepmother, she was very jealous of her beauty. The stepmother did not want Cinderella to go to the ball, as she was jealous of her beauty, as she was very jealous of her beauty. So she did not want Cinderella to go to the ball. The stepsister left for the royal ball, leaving Cinderella at home. So what happened? The stepsister and the the stepsister, they left for the royal ball, leaving Cinderella at home. They left Cinderella at home. The stepsister and her stepmother, Cinderella's stepmother, they left for the royal ball. They went to the royal ball, leaving Cinderella at home. Then what happened after that? But after that, Cinderella's fairy godmother appeared and helped her make it to the ball, and help her to go to the ball. After leaving, when the stepmother and stepsister, they left Cinderella at home alone, Cinderella, she was crying. Okay, she was burst into tears. She was crying aloud. She was crying very much because her stepmother and stepsister, they have left Cinderella at home. That is why she was crying a lot. She was crying, and she was crying. When she was crying, she heard a voice that called to her from the garden. When she was crying, she heard a voice that came from the garden. And when she went to see who it was, she was surprised to see her fairy godmother. When Cinderella, she went to the garden to see that who it was, who was calling her from the garden. When she saw, she was so surprised, because she was a fairy godmother who came to the garden to help Cinderella. Okay, her fairy godmother, she came to the garden to help Cinderella. So then what that fairy godmother, she told to Cinderella, that do not cry, Cinderella, said the fairy godmother, you also shall go to the ball, because you are kind and have a good heart. So her fairy godmother, she told to Cinderella that you don't cry, because you also shall go to the ball, because you are kind and have a good heart. So her fairy godmother told to Cinderella that you are having a kind heart, and you are very kind, and you are having a good heart, so you will also go to the ball. So she told Cinderella to bring a large pumpkin, a rat, and 4 grasshoppers. What she told to bring Cinderella? She told Cinderella to bring a large pumpkin, okay, and a rat and 4 grasshoppers, so that she can go to the royal ball. So what her fairy grandmother told, Cinderella did as the fairy grandmother told. The fairy grandmother turned the pumpkin into a carriage, the rat into a coachman, and the 4 grasshoppers into horses with her magic wand. So what happened after that? When Cinderella brought a large pumpkin, a rat, and a 4 grasshoppers, Cinderella brought and gave it to her fairy godmother. Then what fairy godmother do? What fairy godmother does? What she does is she turned the pumpkin into a carriage. What do we mean by carriage? Carriage is a vehicle which is usually pulled by 1 or more horses. Okay, having 4 wheels. A carriage is a vehicle which have 4 wheels. Okay, 4 wheels. A carriage usually have a 4 wheels, and that is pulled by 1 or more horses. That carriage is pulled by 1 or more horses. So fairy godmother, she turned the carriage, she turned the pumpkin into a carriage, and the rat into a coachman. Coachman means those who are sitting in the carriage to manage the carriage. They are known as coachman. So the rat turned into a coachman, and the 4 grasshopper, it turned into horses with a magic wand. So all of you know, children, that the fairy, they are having a magic stick. With the help of that magic stick, the fairy godmother, she turned the pumpkin into a carriage, the rat into a coachman, and the 4 grasshopper into horses with a magic wand. Magic wand means a magic stick. Then she turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess and gave her a lovely glass slippers to wear. Then what she done was that fairy grandmother what she does? She turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess. She turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess with her magic stick. With her magic stick, she turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess and gave her a lovely glass slippers. So Cinderella, she was wearing a glass slipper. Okay, and the fairy godmother, she gave her a lovely glass slippers to wear. So now Cinderella, she was dressed up as a princess, and before going to the royal ball, the fairy grandmother, what she does, she wants Cinderella to come before midnight. So the fairy godmother, she wants Cinderella to return before midnight to the home. Now what happened? Now Cinderella went to the royal ball and she danced with the prince and he fell in love with her. So what she does, when Cinderella went to the royal ball, she danced with the prince and he fell in love by seeing her. By seeing Cinderella, as she was so beautiful, he fell in love with her. But as the clock struck 12, she left the ball because her fairy godmother, she had told her to come before midnight, to return before midnight. That is why, as the clock struck 12, 12 means when the clock struck at struck means when the clock pin it struck 12, that is midnight. When it becomes midnight, then she had to left the ball. She left the royal ball and she returned back to the home. But while returning back to the home, she was in a hurry because it had already become midnight. So what she had done, she left as she was coming in a hurry, she has left her glass slipper. She came with a hurry, left behind a glass slipper. Her glass slipper was left behind in the in the palace only. She had left her glass slipper. Then when the prince came and looked everywhere, but he could not find Cinderella. Then he found her glass slipper. The prince found a glass slipper. Then he announced the lady who was wearing this glass slipper all over the kingdom, but he could not find it. Then he goes to each and every girl in the kingdom until he finds his woman. And finally what happened? He found Cinderella and married her and lived happily ever after. So when the prince, he found that glass slipper, he knew that the glass slipper was of Cinderella, but he did not find anywhere when Cinderella, she left the palace. He could not able to find Cinderella. What happened? Then he announced in the whole kingdom to the girl who is wearing that glass slipper should come and take the glass slipper, but Cinderella didn't go there. Then what happened? He goes to each and every girl in the kingdom and he started searching for that girl who was wearing the glass slipper. And finally what happened? He finds his woman, means he finds Cinderella. And finally when he found Cinderella, he married her and lived happily ever after.